Hey guys, this is Dillon with Ranch Armor. I'm going to walk you guys through how to install the side steps on our Polaris 1500. It takes a few tools. It's like a 15-minute install. Super quick, super easy. First thing y'all are going to want to check is your hardware. Should be right, but please double check. You should have 12 5/16 nuts, 12 5/16 washers. You're going to need a 3/8 ratchet, a T40 bit, a 1/2 inch socket, a 3/16 drill bit, and an 1 1/4 hole saw. I'm gonna go over the brackets real quick because they look similar, but they're all different. The brackets with the notch cut out, these are gonna be the fronts. They'll line up with the plastic on the machine, and you'll see that when you install it. The ones in the back are not gonna have a notch. All right guys, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is locate the little dimple in the plastics. There's gonna be one right up here at the front. And in the rear, towards the front of this footwell, there's another one right here. First thing we're gonna do is drill those out to 3/16, and then we're gonna punch them out with our hole saw. An important thing when you're doing this, get that hole started, and then you're gonna wanna drill straight in. Same thing on the back. Very sure you're drilling straight into the plastic when you do this. Once again, make sure you're drilling into this plastic nice and straight. Get rid of some of those burrs. Next thing you're gonna do is remove the T40s underneath the plastic. There's gonna be one just to the back of the hole you drilled. You can take your bracket, slide it in. There's gonna be a hole inside the frame. Not sure if you guys will be able to see that. It's gonna be kind of difficult, but there's a hole just inside the frame. You're gonna slide that in there. Line that T40 back up with the bracket. Snug that down. Slide that into the frame. Line our T40 back up. And snug it down. And then since I'm doing this by myself, I'm gonna grab one washer, one nut. I'm gonna grab my side step. I got it. I'll line this up, hold it up in place, and get one nut on there just to hold that. Then I'll move to the rear. Do the same thing, and I'll finish putting my hardware on and snug all these down. Grab my 1/2 inch socket. I do want to show you guys something. These brackets are slotted. If you want a little bit more protrusion, you can slide these all the way out. On this machine, I'm gonna butt them all the way in. All right. That's done, installed. You repeat the process for the other side. Like I said, it's a nice, quick, easy install. Nothing to it. Hope this helped you guys. Thanks for buying our Ranch Armor products.